Monday night show. We discuss matter we concern one lady on top Instagram. We send us message, send them to my account about her brother. We be 15 years old.
Fine
when
girl,
he
you don't want
she should even get begin. If I not go like call her name. If I go Instagram when I go see her picture, but I not go like call her name. She when 1998.
Then 10 years after.
10 years after, the boy, the cousin, I say the cousin, the stepbrother, will be 15, sleep with her when she be 6 years old. Now, 1998, she come, 1998 naim happened. Then 2008, she come place, she placed course on the guy 1998. 10 years later, that course can't affect the guy. The guy leg don't paralyze, the left one. She don't go meet the guy,
right leg.
Oga, you not go heal. If you like, go all the churches where you don't they go. Military hospital, every hospital, you not go well until you confess. Meanwhile, the guy don't say him not go confess. Ella from Warri, good evening.
Yeah, Oga Nedu, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. Ella, sharp. What you get to talk about this matter?
This matter is a very sensitive matter. Because 6-year-old pikin never know anything at all.
He no go enjoy sex.
So not just when people just they
you understand? He said what do you want to enjoy?
So the boy, that 15-year-old man, so now it caused the whole wahala.
Oh.
So if he say not go confess, may he die.
Hello, thank you, John.
Yes, because it that happen for my place. Make I not talk too much because maybe those people they watch the program
yes,
very close to me.
Yes.
The man he said night is virgin in own pikin.
Yeah?
Yes. So when the guy called tell the mama, they call us. We call carry the matter go church.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Then they call disgrace the man publicly. They even excommunicate her.
Yes.
But today now, the girl don't marry. The man doesn't live a normal life. That time, people, they laugh at.
Yes.
So, if he say, because he not go confess, say people go laugh at. By the time he confess by today, tomorrow another thing where big party go happen. So, make it try confess so that make God forgive us. God
then make him kill his life.
Hello, thank you.
Yes.
Hello, thank you, Jerry.
From Abiyokuta, good evening.
Good evening.
Choma, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Choma, what you get to talk about this matter?
Wait till I get to talk about the matter. If not me, I'm not going to forgive. I must confess.
Okay. Choma, thank you very much.
So the guy must confess because it's an abomination now.
Thank you.
Choma,
for my own brother to sleep with me is an abomination. We have to say the truth because the truth will set us free.
You understand?
Because we don't know the implication. We don't know the implication.
Anyway, thank you. Thank you very much.
True.
Thank you, say you talk to your mind. How it be you? Emmanuel Green on top Twitter say, once she is free, it's no longer her business if the guy wishes to confess or not. For a guy to confess such is not easy. In the first message and second message with that, the first one they say, her mind is really confused and disturbed. That is why she's speaking out now. She has to release herself from it. It is not easy to confess. Then, Emmanuel still talks, if you make them public, it's going to be a shame. It's better to call trusted family members for the guy to confess. And she forgive him.
You know, here waiting a lot of talk say, if you like, make it shame. People
make
go laugh
you. You go laugh you today, tomorrow you go happy tomorrow.
You know why it could be like, say, go hard for them to come call family. Like, if you want the first scenario now, that man will call wait or say they carry the children go village, they come bring, they come back, they come sick, they come call family. That one it be like almost recent. This other one where a lot of talk now say in your Peking, it be like almost recent. But this girl don't say. She's in 1998.
1998.
Now she realized.
Now she realized it's a bad thing.
Now she can't cross the guy. Okay, and now we don't do 2015. This girl now she's a bigger lady now. She's a lady. So if you can't go to call the entire family against like when they drag herself.
No,
they go back. Just call some elderly person in family.
You get to make peace with your past for your future to correct.
Anyway, Rick said. Rick's entertainment also say people shouldn't talk nonsense. I beg. Make she leave the guy until he ready to confess. People should stop being self-righteous. Thank you.
Like what in Choma just talk say, she no go fit forgive the man.
And then Sam Adeoye talk say, Nedu, please tell people, make them not they bring family come their house. Now David's brother's son tell David's son to rape his sister inside Bible. It is better like that. Many men don't destroy the lives of many ladies. Ladies will be bisexual. Okay, Katim, don't read this message. And then, okay, don't read all these ones.
No, he get another one. you say simple lolo. You
simple lolo say okay. Lolo, it says 6 years old pikin don't sabi bad thing. I mean. Well, now your own, you don't sabi anything. Lolo, make I tell you, that 6 years old girl not know anything.
Ask Lolo what thing she do when she did 6
okay.
That she feel remember.
You feel remember? Okay, thank you. Lolo, you feel remember what you do when you be 6 years old?
Me, I not feel remember.
Me, I not feel remember. You know, now, make I tell you something. I be use one story to start the show. Make I talk that story again. 8 years old girl. This girl na my friend. She did law school now. Na my friend. I not go like give you. She come Lagos. We be friends. She come Lagos. Come do something. We see. Do you understand? We supposed to see in the morning. I not gonna see until in the evening. Where she did, only her one day there. When I come back, I'm not gonna like give you. This girl don't they smoke igbo. They take codeine. I come see her. Maybe my friend come. Ada. Hey. I don't go on. What did they do you? What's happen? Now so the girl begin talk. 8 years old now she be when the uncle sleep with her. And I'm not gonna lie, give you that 8 years old. Now, so she suffered the thing till now. Now, and just last year, she tell the mama.
And you never know what in that uncle fi don't tell
and you don't know what in that uncle fi don't tell them. This thing, they make some ladies, they become bisexual. They go, they follow man, they follow woman.
Now, what in that man talk for
you
Twitter
understand?
Now? Say, then go enter road, then go enter a shower walk.
You understand?
Just because of what in
because then go down, they start sleep with man from small. And when they don't sleep with man from small, it not gonna be anything to them again. Now, so they go begin sleep with everybody. So I beg. As Pastor TikTok, as Sam Adeoye TikTok, I beg family members, make una they know who una they bring enter on our house.
Okay.
Don't be anybody.
Person come talk say I could read this one because he say Oputa Kelechi say I will not take back the cause until in confused. But let her try and tell the family members herself. And in that process, in COVID forgive the brother. Make we talk as he be na human being.
Na human being we be. You understand? Make we not
if you get picking, your picking is 6 years old for your house.
Imagine saying your own daughter then do this thing too. See, my dear, you were sending out this message. I don't want to call your name. I don't want to call your name. You were sending out this message. You they watch and you they hear all these things. And all of people don't call. Everybody don't call. I beg. Reason them. The one where you feel say go they okay for you to do, make you do them. So that you go there free and your cousin, your stepbrother too, go there free.
Hold on. She don't reply on top Twitter.
Okay, Nedu, she don't reply for Twitter.
I told my mother last year, but he denied.
Okay.
He is a naval personnel married with a daughter. She was born in 1988. She, the woman, and he was born in 1979.
No, you say I was born on 1988. 1988. Then the guy where did this thing? Then born in 1979. She don't write for message.
Who supposed to get sense back?
I told my mother last year, but he denied it. So when I don't see him, he tell him mama last year, but the guy deny him.
How person go strong mind like that?
How you go strong mind like that?
Your leg get paralyzed, one leg, it go soon enter the other leg. You still get that kind of mind to deny him.
Navy personnel, and the guy they married with a daughter.
Now personality they affect him.
Anyway, my sister, I beg, make you handle this matter. We don't hear what everybody talk. Think calm yourself, pray to God, may God lead you, may you do the right thing, so that you go free yourself and make things go the way you're supposed to be.
Simple, Lolo, make you just stay careful. All this one now, because say you day outside, the thing no happen to you. When you dey explain what thing you do for when you day primary 3 at 6 years old, which kind of primary 3 you day? For 6 years. She said, I remember my teacher name. Oh yeah, if she say why she not talk after 2 to 5 years.
Anyway, double twirl to everybody who don't call us for this night show. Thank you for this advice when I give this lady. Thank you very much. And then to the lady who get this issue, I beg, as we tell you, pray, reason, hear what everybody don't talk, then do what you feel say they okay for you. Until next week, make sure that get better weekend. Double twirl to our producer, Mini March, double twirl to K-Moss, double twirl to Annie Baba, when we say they handle things for us this night.
No
and then
worry, we call
this lady, we go call her, make she come. Make she use her mouth, take talk. Make una see her, make you know how it be after we discuss this matter today. Until Monday, una good night.
I've been looking, I've been searching. Man hustle, man I working. But I be ordinary person. Waiting you see, I got the blessing. Ooh, who no be starting? Savannah long thing. So they no go greed that one for me. Ooh, who no be starting?